In this training video, we will explore how to use the prediction feature in Read and Write for Google Chrome within Office 365. The prediction tool is a tool that provides word suggestions as you type. In this video, prediction will be used with Microsoft Word Online, but it can also be used in PowerPoint, in OneNote, in Outlook, as well as on the web. Click on the globe icon, which is located on the left side of the toolbar, to open and close the prediction window. As letters are typed, words will be predicted. Hover over the words to hear the words read aloud.
Predicted. Letter. Lead. Predicted.
Click on the word to have it inserted into your document.
Predicted.
You can also press Ctrl plus the number next to the word you would like to insert into your document.
The.
Pressing Ctrl 1 for the word the. The user can customize the prediction window in the Settings menu. The Settings menu is located in the three dots on the Read and Write toolbar. Click on Options. On the left-hand side under Options, choose Predictions. Customization can occur for the amount of words in the prediction window. The option is as little as 3 words or as many as 10. If you would like to choose a different number of results, click and drag over the number that is in the box, choose the desired number, and click on OK. Clicking on your page will show you the customization has been changed. As you type, you will notice, or move your cursor, that you will notice that the tools of that window move with you. So that window prediction will move with your cursor. You have the option to customize this feature, to have it follow you, or to leave it in place. To change that customization, click on the three dots, click on Options, and in general, it's currently defaulted to follow the cursor. If you click off of that check mark and click on OK, you now have the option to click on that prediction window, move it, and leave it in place. The prediction window will now stay in one spot. If you would prefer to change that customization back to following the cursor, you click on the three dots, go to Options, and place a check mark back in the box beside Follow the Cursor. You also have the ability to change the text size in that prediction window by clicking and dragging to see the sample text.
Spat.
Notice that when you do increase your text size, that the word prediction window becomes larger. Clicking on More and Options, I can go back and adjust my text size. I also have the ability to customize voices. I can click on, under Options, I click on Speech, and under Voice, the drop-down menu occurs, and I can choose a voice based on preference or pronunciation. You will not see Canadian English voices. You will only see US English voices. Customization can also occur within the features of the prediction window. To change your prediction features to another language, such as French, we start in the speech options, scroll up. This is where you will see French Canadian as a voice. Okay, so French Canadian, you're going to click on French Canadian. The next feature that you need to change for your French language is you're going to click on Language under Options. Now, one of the common mistakes is that we automatically go to change the language, thinking that that's what we want to change in the prediction window. If we change the language in here, so you'll see that it's all English here. If I change this and I click on French, it changes all my icon language to French. So that's not going to change the French or the language to French in my prediction window. So I'm going to change my language back to English, and you'll see that it says English United States. And in the features, I'm going to change my language in features. So I'm going to click on the drop-down menu and click on French. Still, it keeps all of my language here, all of my icons in English. When I click on OK, and I click back on my document, you will notice that the features within the window have changed to French. When I type, you will see that just as the English prediction, it starts predicting words. I can click and hover over the word to hear it read out loud.
Bonjour.
I can click on the word to insert it into my page or choose Control +1
Bonjour.
to have it added into my document. To change those features back to English, I'm going to go back up to my three dots. I'm going to click on Options. And since we've left off in the language, I'll start there. So I'm going to change my features back to English United States. I'm going to go back up and click on my speech. And I'm going to choose a US English voice. Okay, I might have missed it. Sorry about that. There we are. As you can see, there's a lot of voices in there. And clicking on OK. When I click back on my page, you will see that the customizations have been changed back to English language. Prediction can also be used with other features of read and write. Those include the dictionary. Click on the dictionary, and if I type the word canoe and I click on the word canoe,
canoe, canoe,
you'll see that the prediction has now communicated with the dictionary feature. I can click to hear these read. So you'll notice that there is a triangle located beside the word canoe. And this triangle matches the triangle up top. So this triangle is a play button. So you have a play, a pause, and a stop button. Within the dictionary, you have a play button and you also have a stop button. So you can click on the play button,
canoe,
and hear the word read aloud. If you're listening to something that's more than one word, you can click on the play button.
noun, a narrow boat that is rowed with oars.
The play button turns to a stop button. I can click on the stop button to have it stop reading.
Noun, a narrow boat that is rowed.
Okay. When I am finished with the dictionary feature, I click on the X to close it out. I also have the ability to use a picture dictionary. So if I wanted to, using my word canoe,
Canoe,
I'm going to click on the picture dictionary, and up comes the word canoe, again with a triangle that's located beside it that indicates that it will read this word out loud,
canoe,
as well as a picture associated with that word. If I want to, I can copy the picture and insert it into my document by clicking on it, right-clicking, copying my image, and then pasting my image. So you can right-click to have the word associated with the picture inserted into your page. You can make that picture bigger, smaller. Okay. The play, the pause, and the stop button can also assist with making sure that you're editing your work properly. I can click and drag over the whole thing. Actually, I'm going to close out of the picture dictionary first. So I can click and drag over a sentence that I want read and click on play.
as letters are typed, words will be predicted.
So I need to make a correction here. So I can put my cursor, click on my globe, and I can see that I'm missing, it says as letter are typed. So I need to put as letters. I need an S on the end of that. So I can just add an S, or I can run my cursor along, and you can see that the prediction window is starting to predict different words. And I can see that I can run my cursor over the words to hear them.
Letter, letters.
And I can click on it to insert it and make that correction. So I can again click and drag over the sentence, click on the play button.
As letters are typed, words will be predicted.
And that definitely sounds better. I also have the ability with my prediction window to use a translation button. Translation button can translate from English to French. And click on that to have it appear. And I can type in, how are you? If I wanted to, I can click and drag over it, and a translation for how are you
How are you?
can be placed underneath. And again, there's a triangle there that allows me to hear it.
Comment allez-vous?
Okay, and if I wanted to, I could click and drag, copy, and paste. The other feature that I can use with prediction to assist me with spelling is the talk and type feature. The talk and type feature allows me to talk and it will type the word required. So I'm going to start typing. The cat has a very, and if I didn't know how to spell the word fluffy, I could click on the icon, talk and type, say the word, and then turn the icon off. Fluffy. And continue to use my prediction piece. These are the features that can be used with prediction. This concludes the video for prediction for read and write.